This is next in the series of image to diagnosis in fetal medicine, first in the series of fetal thorax. This is a 22-week fetus coming for anomaly scan. Fetus is in longitudinal lie, breech presentation, and this is the axial scan of the chest, the level of the chamber view of the heart, and the fetal side is marked there. Fetus shows a mediastinal shift to the left. So, what is the anomaly? I can guarantee you that you could not have thought of the diagnosis from this image. So, if you'd like to see the workup of case which illustrates this case scenario, illustrates the importance of correct identification of the fetal situs and the use of pattern recognition and mismatch in features. When you see mismatch in features, you do a logical analysis and then extend the scan or do additional views or look for a sign in dynamic sonography movement, and so all these are stressed in this case scenario. If you would like to see the workup of the case, please log on to sonoshare.in. Thank you.